In many large enterprises, e-invoicing starts as a compliance checkbox, but in organizations that actually do it well, it becomes something far more powerful. It becomes a strategic asset, one that improves the operational efficiency, ensures real time compliance, and prepares the business for scale. So, what exactly is the difference? It's not just the software, it's not just the tax policy, it's the collaboration between the tax and the technology teams. Because when the tax professionals and the IT leaders work in silos, even the best intended e invoicing projects can stall or worse, fail to meet the regulatory standards. But when they work together, that's when a real transformation happens. So let's talk about what collaboration looks like and how you can build it. Every successful tax tech partnership begins with a shared goal, not just we need to comply with VAT laws, but something broader, like we want to build a future ready automated e invoicing process that is compliant across every market we operate in. That vision is what connects the tax, IT, finance, legal, even procurement, and accounts payable around a common outcome. It removes the us versus them mentality. And instead of tech pushing a tool or tax pushing a checklist, everyone aligns around solving real business problems. That's where the collaboration starts. Not during testing, not during the go live, but from day one. Once the vision is clear, the structure has to support it. That means creating cross functional teams, dedicated project squads that include tax leads, ERP specialists, compliance analysts, and IT architects. But beyond the team, lead organizations are now investing in something even more effective: tax technology champions. These are hybrid professionals who understand the tax logic and the system architecture. They speak both the languages, and more importantly, they translate between them. When a tax expert says we need to capture line level BAT across all the entity types, the tax technologist translates that into system specs. When IT says we can't support XML parsing in this version, they decode that for the tax team. These roles reduce friction, shorten the timelines, and prevent rework. In a fast moving regulatory environment, that's a game changer. Here's a common mistake: a company begins implementing e invoicing, selects a vendor, integrates with the ERP, and then calls in the tax team a few weeks before the launch. By then, the system is wired around the technical feasibility, not the actual compliance logic. Avoid that trap. Tax must be involved early, during planning, vendor selection, solution design, and testing, and not just once. They need ongoing touchpoints, weekly or bi weekly meetings with IT to monitor regulations, flag issues, and adapt as requirements evolve. Because e invoicing isn't just one and done, it changes constantly. Standardizing invoice formats, standardizing approval workflows, standardizing how VAT rates are validated or how digital signatures are applied. It may seem basic, but it saves enormous effort in the long run. Standardization helps the IT team support fewer variation. It helps tax audit faster, and it ensures when the rules change, you're not scrambling across 12 templates in 5 countries. Aim for templates that scale and processes that flex. That's what makes global compliance possible without creating IT debt. If you want to buy in from leadership, finance, and other departments, don't present e-invoicing as a tax project or a IT migration. Present it as a joint business case. Frame it in terms of risk reduction, time savings, audit readiness, vendor dispute reduction, ROI on automation. When the tax and IT co own the outcome, it becomes everyone's responsibility to get it right. True collaboration means shared understanding. That means regular cross training between the tax and the IT. Tax learns the tech stack, IT learns the regulatory requirements. Both sides develop mutual empathy, and projects move faster with less resistance. Pilot new systems with small cross functional teams, gather feedback, iterate. You're not only building better tools, you are actually building trust. Automation isn't just about speeding things up. It's about reducing errors, eliminating manual bottlenecks, and improving traceability. But the automation works best when both the tax and tech teams co-own it. Together, they can identify where the data inconsistencies cause delays, where approvals are bottlenecked, where validation are missing. And then together, they can build systems that solve these problems. Add real time dashboards, error alerts, workflow routing. It's not just about control, it's about visibility. And when both sides see what's working and what's not, they can improve continuously. E invoicing isn't just a compliance checkbox. It's a data driven transformation. The companies that win are the ones where tax and tech teams work as one, building long term capabilities, not just reacting to the deadlines. Because tax isn't just about rules, tech isn't just about code. Together, they power every compliant, automated, future ready invoice. At Compliance, we bridge tax and tech so your teams can scale smarter, not harder.